When I was at school, I couldn't wait to get out into the world.
The sooner, the better.
My only question was, where?
I chose TUS because of the mix of practical learning
and the job connections with great careers. I'm a graduate of the Software Development with Games programming course, TUS. I'm currently working as a software developer with General Motors. I interned there for 6 months during my 3rd year of college and had a job lined up then in October 4th year.
We're Novus Housing Health and Recovery. We operate low threshold homeless services, health and recovery services. At the moment we have just over 300 employees in Novus. Lots of my colleagues across Novus are TUS graduates. I think the personal development module that TUS run as part of their social care programme is integral to providing that quality candidate.
I'm studying Industrial Automation Robotic Systems at TUS. So I have a job lined up already. So that would be with the automation of water management systems. I was very lucky that TUS as a whole has helped me to get where I want to be.
By the time I was in 4th year, I already had a job lined up.
At TUS, I could enjoy college,
Meeting new friends,
having fun,
And I knew my future was secure.